The navigation pane allows us to navigate through our documents. It can be displayed via the tick box on the View tab. The Headings section lists the headings that have been created with heading styles. Click on a heading to jump to that part of the document. Notice the hierarchy. Heading 2 styles are indented and grouped to differentiate them from Heading 1. Likewise for Heading 3 styles. By right-clicking on a heading, you can promote or demote a heading directly from the navigation pane. You can also use the navigation pane to reorder a document. Simply drag and drop the headings into the new order. The Pages tab provides a thumbnail view of the document. Again, click on a page to jump to it. The Go To command, found under the drop-down arrow on the search bar, allows you to jump to different pages, sections, tables, or graphics, amongst many other things. For example, to go directly to page 25, we choose Page and type in 25 and Go To. To browse through the tables, we select Table, and we can use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through them. Use the search bar on the navigation pane to find text. The Results tab allows you to browse the results of the search sequentially using the arrows, or by going directly to a result. As with a lot of commands in Word, these tools can be accessed in different ways. As well as the navigation pane, the Find button on the Home tab can be used, as can the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and F.